Zigzagoon. I created this flourish a long time ago, and it's actually one of the first flourishes I created. It's really good for splitting the deck in two, and I usually do this before I get into L cuts or any other combo. So let's take a look at Zigzagoon. So to do Zigzagoon, you want to start off by breaking the deck in two equal halves, because if you make sure that they're equal, you will end up with two equal packets in each hand at the end. And then you just do a regular swing cut, like so. And then you do another one, but this time you're placing it like this. So you actually this packet is resting on the ring finger, like so. And then you want to perform this one-handed cut. It's kind of similar to a scissor cut, and I'm sure you're familiar with this concept. Now in the other hand, you're gonna reposition your fingers. You start off by getting into a straddle grip like so, because then your thumb is able to move up here to this corner, and the middle finger is going to move to this corner. So now you're in a molecule kind of grip on each corner. And as you do this one-handed cut over here, you want to rotate this packet out, like so, and then a little bit back so that it's kind of flat. And then as you've performed this one-handed cut, you want to keep holding the packets like so, and then you're actually just gonna place this packet into the other hand, into kind of a straddle grip. And if you push down with this middle finger, it will make the other packet spin like that. And when you've done that, this Jack of Clubs packet is actually in perfect position to just be placed on the top over here. And now you've split the deck in two, and then you can just go into L cuts, or you can do Prince Charming in both hands, or you can do some Plingo, V cuts, whatever you like. And that is Zigzagoon. Now an important part of this flourish is that when you are right around here, instead of just rotating this packet all the way out and then placing this packet underneath, the whole concept of this flourish is actually to use a packet to rotate another packet. So you really want to make sure that you get it back a little bit, spin it back a little bit, and then press down so that this packet rotates.